Folks, listen. It's the voice of the Sharks. It's the face of the Sharks. It's your own Adam Webster!
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Yeah.
Here we go, brother.
Gonna get you too. Another one bites the dust.
No playing around. Really sharp. Really sturdy nails. Come on, buddy. Don't be scared. Lay him down. Here we go, guys. Give our stage crew a big round of applause, if you would. You guys helping us out. He's moaning and groaning. Timber, hurry. Get the sledgehammer. Timber, hurry, hurry. Get the sledgehammer. Timber. That's not a sledgehammer. No. It's going to take all night. Look at his head turning red. Sledgehammer. You're a lumberjack? Good. Finally. Hit it. Turn it over. Grunting and groaning. Moaning. Is he all right? Whoa! He did it! Adam Webster!
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust.
Coming up
Another one gone. And another one gone.
here in just a moment.